Hello everyone, this is Sonar from Shraddha Filter Technology. Our company located in Vatwa GIDC, Ahmedabad. This company was established in back 2013 by the current CEO of the company, Mr. Vinod Sonar, and Managing Director of the company, Mr. Sudhir Sonar. They have more than 20 years of experience in this field and recognizing the high demand of hydraulic oil filter. We are known as one of the leading hydraulic oil filter manufacturers in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and many other products in our inventory has gained more trust and preference at the top of the businesses in multiple industries. We have professionally managed our company and certified by an ISO 9001:2015. We are manufacturer of hydraulic oil filter, pressure line filter, turbine oil filter, return line filter, compressed air filter, filter housing, strainer, and dust collector filters. We will continue to deliver premium quality products to our clients like government sector and MNC companies, steel plant, power plant, cement plant, fertilizer, petrochemical, refinery, paper industry, sugar mill, ceramic plant, thermal power plant, hydropower plant, as long as they continue to place their trust in us. Being the renowned filter manufacturers in India, we design, manufacture and sell superior quality Shraddha Filter Technology and other products and make them available at unbeatable price rates. We are in the field of manufacturing fluid air filter elements and systems for able to satisfy a large number of the customers all over the India by providing high-end systems and solutions. Our product go through quality test as per rigid standard and therefore the best quality and longevity is granted with the team of high qualified and experienced professionals. We also export our product in many countries like Dubai, Nepal, Vietnam, UAE, Uganda, and we will try to develop better products and fulfill the commitment with all due respect. Thank you.